Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have seen how to export a PDF page as an image by using export PDF page as a image activity. But now in this session, I'm going to extract the images from the page by using extract images from PDF activity. Let me start with the scenario. If you see, I'm having a sample PDF file, that is images and text.pdf file. In this PDF, we are having a lot of images as well as the text. Now, I want to extract only the images from this PDF file. How can I go ahead and do that? Let me go to UiPath Studio. Now I'm going to create a new sequence by clicking on Add Sequence. I'm going to giving as images from PDF activity. Now let me create it. Now the main agenda of this session is to extract images from the PDF, right? So how can I go ahead and do that? From the PDF activities, there is the activity called extract images from PDF. Let's drag and drop that activity onto the panel. Now we'll see the properties first. That is the file name from which PDF that I want to extract the images. That is the first one, right? Now let me go to browse, and then I'm going to PDF documents, and then I'm going to select images and text.pdf. Let me click on open. Now, if you see the output folder, this output folder, where is that output folder? That I want to store all the images, right? There, if you see in my project that I'm having output over here. In this one, that I want to get all the images, or else I will create one more folder over here by clicking on open, add folder. I will say images, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now, if you see under the output, I'm having images. There, I want to store all the images, right? Let me go to the output folder name. I'm going to give it as output slash images, and then I'm going to give on OK. Now, the image extension you can see over here, the input, there's a lot of formats. You can see PNG, JPEG, TIFF, all these things. Now let me select the PNG. Okay, if you see, I'm going to give all the PNGs that I have to giving as the input, right? Now let me go ahead, let me give one more message to complete it as the bot has been completed or not. Now I'm going to give the message box saying bot processed. Now let me save the bot and let me run the bot. The bot has been processed successfully. Now let me click on OK. Now let me refresh the folders. If you see under output you will find a lot of images. Let me open this folder, and you can see there are a lot of images which we have in the particular PDF which we have seen right now, right? This is how we are going to extract the images from PDF by using extract images from PDF activity. Thank you for watching UiPath tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.